Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division. The lessons we're going to cover today are divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers, divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit number word problem, divide by two-digit number word problem, divide larger numbers by two-digit numbers word problems. So let's just start with the chapter division. We're already working on the chapter division. You know how to divide. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers, right? So the first example is divide 9,000 divided by 300, right? So how do we divide? Basically, when we actually divide only the non-zero values, right? Just look at the first example, that is 9,000 divided by 300. We simply divide 9 by 3, right? So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, right? So you can see here 300 has two zeros and 9,000 has three zeros, right? So 9,000 has one more zero than 300. So two zeros and two zeros cancel out each other. That means answer must have only one zero, right? So the correct option is 30. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the next one is 900 divided by 10. So let's just only divide the non-zero values, right? 9 divided by 1. So 9 divided by 1 equals, yes, that is 9, and you have one extra zero. So it is 90. The correct option is 90, right? Okay, the next one is 100 divided by 10, which is the correct option. Yes, that is just a 10. The correct option is 10. 500 divided by 10, which is the correct option. Yes, very good. The correct option is 50. 6,000 divided by 20, which is the correct option. Very good. The correct option is 30. 900 divided by 30, which is the correct option. Very good. That is 30. Okay, 600 divided by 20, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 30. 9,000 divided by 300, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 30 again. 4,000 divided by 200, which is the correct option? 20 it is. The correct option is 20. 4,000 divided by 20. Yes, the correct option is 20. 200, sorry, not 20. That is 200. 8,000 divided by 200, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 40. 900 divided by 90, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers word problems. So let's just start with the word problems. An office needs 28,000 employees. If there are 70, sorry, envelopes, an office needs 28,000 envelopes. If there are 70 envelopes in each box, how many boxes should the office buy? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 400. A climbing gym employee needs to Order 72,000 centimeters of rope. How many packages of rope should be ordered if there are 9,000 centimeters of rope in each? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is 8. Very good. It takes 400 pounds of steel to make one steel beam. How many beams can be made from 2,800 pounds of steel? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 7. 7 is the correct option. A tour group has 900 to buy train ticket. Each ticket costs $30. How many train tickets can the group buy? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 30 tickets. The correct option is 30. A snack food company produced 35,000 ounces of bite sized cookies. The company will put the cookies into 50 ounces bags. How many bags will the company be able to fill? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. The company will be able to fill 700 bags. The correct option is 700. A car dealership has 27,000 to spend on a newspaper ad. If each ad costs $3,000, how many ads can the dealership buy? Yes, the correct option is $9. Option number 1 is the correct option. The library has 300 magazines. Each bin holds 10 magazines. How many bins does the library need to hold all of its magazines? Yes, the correct option is 30. Bin. The library needs 30 bins to hold all the magazines. The correct option is 30. A politician has 36,000 to buy $36 to buy TV advertisements. If each advertisement costs 6,000, how many advertisements can the politician buy? Yes, the correct option is 6 it is. Very good. A calendar shop has 25,7,000 calendars. Each rack holds 300 calendars. How many racks does the store need to use? Yes, the correct option is 9 is the correct option. Very good. Swift Accounting wants to buy 14,000 chocolate truffles for a party. If there are 70 truffles in each box, how many boxes of truffles should the company buy? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 200. The correct option is 200. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. No, they are just an attention seekers actually. Carry on. Okay, the next lesson is divide two-digit number word problems. There are 75 people in line to ride the bumper car. 36 people can go in each round. How many people will ride in the last round? Now I can see who can answer this question. There are 75 people in line to ride the bumper car. 36 people can go in each round. How many people will ride in the last round? Which is the correct option? But there you are already written the answer. Basically, what you have to do? You have to divide 75 by 36. You have to divide 75 by 36, and 36 times 2 is 72, right? And 75 minus 72 is 3. That means in two rounds each go 36 people, but the third round have only 3 peoples because they are left with just 3, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. A car dealership needs to transport 68 cars to an island. If the ferry can hold 34 cars, how many trips will the ferry need to make? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 2. You have to divide 68 by 34, and 34 times 2 is 68. So the correct option is 2. A car dealership has 448 to spend on newspaper ad. If each cost car each ad cost $56, how many ads can the dealership buy? So which is the correct option? 8? How? How 8 it is? Because 56 times 8 is 448. That is 8. The correct option is 8. Now you're deleting your messages because you don't know how it is 8. Wow, great. You're just guessing the answers. It is 8. You can see here 56 times. I just asked how it is 8. You guys keep removing your messages. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 5 is 40 and 4. The correct option is 8. A group of 95 people is going on a boat tour. If each boat holds 18 people, how many people will be in the last boat? Only one to knows the answers. The rest of them just copying their answers. Very bad. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5. You have to divide 95 by 18. And 18 times 5 is 90. You're left with 5. That means the last boat carry only 5 people. So the correct option is 5. Do not guess the answers. Use your mind, use your notebook and pencil. You guys here to learn, so learn something. Do not just guess the answers. Rather than writing answers 5 6 times, use your notebook and pencil, do the question and then write the correct option. A printing company needs to ship 76 team calendars to the city basketball team. The printing company can fit 38 calendars in each box. How many boxes will the calendar company need to use? The correct option is 2 because 38 times 2 is 76. A jazz band wants to sell $744 worth of tickets. If each ticket costs $93, how many tickets will the band have to sell to meet the goal? Which is the correct option? 7. Let me just divide. Yes, that is 8. The correct option is 8 because 93 times 8 is 744. So the correct option is 8. Distance Floral Shop need to mail 60 checks to the bank. If they can put 29 checks in each envelope, how many checks will be in the final envelope? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is 2. The final box envelope has only 2 checks. The correct option is 2. Belmont Bedding needs to ship 84 pillows across the country. Each shipping container can hold 22 pillows. How many pillows will be in partially full container? Which is the correct option? You have to divide 84 by 22. 22 times 3 is 66. Let's just borrow 114 minus 6 is 8 and 7 minus 6 is 1. That means the last container have 18 pillows. The correct option is 18. The airport shuttle needs to take 63 people from the terminal to the parking garage. The shuttle bus can take 20 passengers on each trip. How many passengers will the shuttle take to its last trip? The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is divide larger numbers by two-digit numbers word problems. A math teacher has 6,696 to buy new calculators. If each calculator costs $93, how many calculators can teacher buy? So you need to divide 6,696 by $93, right? Okay, 6,696 divided by 93. We can go for, yes, the correct option is 72. Okay, Sharon, an office manager, needs to order 35,924 push pins for her company. If the push pin comes in a box of 28, how many boxes should Sharon order? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1283 is the correct option. A farmer needs to ship one 5,180 pumpkins to a grocery store. If each crate can hold 20 pumpkins, how many crates will the farmer need? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 259. 259 it is, not 432. No, it isn't 432, it's the other option. A camp needs to buy 2,538 granola bars for the campers. If they each box contain 18 granola bars, how many boxes should the camp buy? Which is the correct option? 141. Yes, the correct option is 141. 141 is the correct option. PK, you're just guessing the answers. O'Brien Breakfast Foods produced 69,978 ounces of crispy corn cereal. The company wants to put the cereal into boxes that hold 12 ounces. After filling as many boxes as possible, how many ounces of cereal will be left over? Which is the correct option? You have to see how many cereals will be left over, right? 69,978 divided by 12. Yes, the correct option is 6. It is 6. The library has 3,901 magazines. Each bin holds 74 magazines. How many magazines will be in the partially filled bin? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 53. 53 is the correct option. A new parking lot is going have 19,647 parking space. If each row can have 37 parking spaces, how many rows will be parking lot need? Which is the correct option? That is 531. A group of 1,902 people is going on a boat tour. If each boat holds 34 people, how many people will be on the last boat? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 32. 32 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is division, and the lessons we have covered today are divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit numbers, divide numbers ending in zeros by multi-digit number word problems, divide by two-digit numbers word problems, divide larger numbers by two-digit numbers word problems, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.